Go on then.
Hold that.
What are you, oh god, hold on. What are you meant to do? Oh, just spin on it. Demi spinning.
Oh my days!
Oh, does it go fast? Oh wow. What park are we in? Sellyett Park. Sellyett Park. Do you want me to spin it for you?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Okay. What are you meant to do on that? Is there somewhere to get a drink from in Sellyett? There is, isn't there? Yeah.
Dog's thirsty, Demi. Well, I want to go on that.
There's
And
Coco.
then the exercising thing. No, we've got to get this quarter past. Oh. God's sake. There's people here, they're using it.
Mm. Yeah, people over there using it, yeah.
How do we get off?
I don't know.
Just jump down. No, not dangerous. Not
Jump. Can't you reach it? You alright? Your heart? Yeah. Oh, you alright? Yeah. That's funny. Yeah.
What's that?
Something said at the meeting about me.
No.
It's probably a phone case.
Oh, is it a phone call? I can't see
Let
you.
me just wait in the queue.
If I face this way, I won't be able to see you.
You don't wait in the queue.
Can you get over that one, Danny?
That?
Yeah.
Well,
Huh?
they're on it.
No, this.
I know, but
She can't, there's kids on her.
oh, she'll have to wait a
Yeah, she can't go on there until the kids go, I think. You can ask her.
No, she just stands and waits in her turn. I'm sure they'll let her have a go.
You wait over there, Damien, and then they'll see that you want to go on. Oh, what's that?